Midlife Services is a flexible service solution that will prolong the lifespan of your asset, replacing old with new components, returning your equipment into maximum productivity and operating efficiency at a fraction of the cost of a new machine. Let us look at the 6 generic steps of the Midlife Services process. We know that every customer need and every machine is unique. Therefore, the Midlife Service process is condition-based and always start with a rig scan. Rig scan is a health check of the machine in order to identify exactly which parts and components needs to be included in the Midlife scope. In this way, we can ensure maximum machine availability and machine hours to our customers. During the machine preparation steps, all guards and rails are removed from the machine and the machine is washed. In this way, additional visual inspection can be carried out, ensuring a high quality of the Midlife service. Major components are removed from the frames. If we take a loader as an example, the components that are removed are the bucket, hoses, wheels, axles, the electrical system, cabin and the engine. All these are removed from the frames. These components are handled according to customer requirements and the rig scan health check. The components could either be replaced with new components or repaired components, dependent on the condition. When the frames are completely bare, they are sandblasted to remove old paint and rust. The frames are evaluated and painted. All identified parts, systems and components are put back on the frames by our certified technicians according to original equipment manufacturing standards. Functions and pressures are tested in order to ensure that the machine is performing according to expectations. The customer can now enjoy extended lifetime of their asset. For machines supplied back in the years, we can now offer safety, engineering and product technology upgrades to improve operator efficiency and satisfaction. One of the technology upgrades available in Midlife Services is Certic. We know that our customers measures availability and productivity of our equipment. With our telematics solution Certic, they will be able to do it easier. To ensure future serviceability and spare parts identification, an updated digital parts book is provided. Dependent on the Midlife service scope, we as the original equipment manufacturer can offer extended warranty as for new machines. Midlife services are available for a variety of models. For more information about this product, please visit us online or talk to your local representative.